Good day everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I thread my machine every day. If you are new on this channel, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. And to my old subscriber, thank you so much. The first thing here, pick your thread, put it on the spool or thread stand. From that thread stand, pass it to the first thread guide. From the thread guide, pass it to the tension from the back to the front. Now see the way I did it. Then put it inside that thread take-up hole. From the thread take-up hole, pass it to the thread guide 2, and from there pass it to the needle. If you have any question concerning your machine sewing, you can drop it in the comment section. Let's go over it again. From the thread stand to the thread guide, from the thread guide to the tension back to front, from there to the thread take up to the thread guide 2, then to the needle. After passing the thread, you will now hold the thread from the needle and wind your machine to bring out the second needle from the bobbin. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video.